Hey guys, welcome to another gathering at the Oratia Bowling Club. Got a real nice gathering of cars here today. We're going to have a look around. Some real nice looking ones here today. Do a sweep of the car park here. And then we'll take a look around. Let's go have a nosy. A nice Mercury Cougar. Don't see many of these around. Beautiful car. Oh, got the window down. Have a look. Lovely interior. Looks nice. Lovely blue on this. (1966) Rambler, apparently. Nice looking car. 1934 sedan. Nice yellow on this. Front end. The old rat catcher. A little Snap on the side, a Snap in the back. Hello Snap. Here's old Snap. Hey Snap. Woof woof. Oh, 1929. That's old. Real good condition that is. Lovely. Couple nice old classics here. Very windy too. Nice convertible. Nice looking Fairlane. (1971) Boss Mustang. This thing's a beast. You can hear this thing coming before you see it. It's got a good rumble to it. (1938) Chevy. We got over here, there's old Goldie. I saw this one at the last video I did. Lovely gold truck this. And this big boat here. 1958 convertible Chevrolet Impala. Absolute immaculate condition. Not many of these left in the country. This one's off to Australia next week apparently. Beautiful car. Beautiful car. 55 Fairlane. Another nice car. Another 1934 Ford Coupe. Bright orange this one. And we've got a beast here. This is actually a four-wheel drive XY Falcon.
It's been jacked up. I'm going to say it's been four-wheel drive.
Just about a Bigfoot this thing, huh?
Yeah. What's that?
Just about a Bigfoot this thing.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Oh, there's more over here. 1932 Ford Coupe, lovely red. Yeah, very nice. We'll walk around this side. A shot of the fins in the back of these beasts. Beautiful 58 Chevy. And on the back of Goldie. 1934 Ford sedan police car. Not too bad, this one. Quite an interesting one, this one. Very, very cool. Oh guys, just hope you enjoyed this video of another walk around the Oratia Bowling Club hot rods gathering. Remember to like, comment and subscribe to the channel for more hot rod videos coming in the future. So thank you very much guys, and we'll see you guys in the next video. See you.